أنا ويوسف جورات الوحيدين اللي قعدوا من الكيب نتاع 2018 و 19. دونك نتصور أي مهمة عندنا أكثر شوية اكسبيريونس، ممكن نحاولوا نعديو معناتها اكسبيريونس نتاعنا للجورات الآخرين. عندنا جروب باهي إن شاء الله نعملوا أني كابابل باش نعملوا حاجة باهي في الشامبيونز ليج إن شاء الله. يا ربي يسهل إن شاء الله نعملوا حاجة كبيرة في الشامبيونز ليج. نتصور ماتش مهمة سيرتو بريمير ماتش باش تعطي إيماج باهي، فهمت كيفاش وإن شاء الله نعملوا كل شيء باش نربحوا الماتش هذه، وسيرتو قدام جمهورنا إن شاء الله. إن شاء الله نعملوا ماتش باهي ونربحوا إن شاء الله. صحيح احنا نتصور كجروب حبينا نعملوا أخير في الشامبيونات، أما بيان سور هذه كومبيتيسيون جديدة ولازمنا نركزوا عليها، حاجة امبورطون على الآخر الاسبيرونس. دونك نتصور الكل نكونوا مركزين باش نبداو بالكدا في الكومبيتيسيون هذه وربي معنا ان شاء الله. مع اللي خدمنا مع الستاف الجديد تعدت بيان. لي زونطريمون تحس فما كاليتي، فما انتونسيتي في لي زونطريمون، وكهو مازال نتعرفوا على بعضنا وكل شيء. دونك نتصور بور première impression c'était bien passé.
We're gonna have all the players ready. You mean about the injuries? Yeah. About the injuries, we have only 2 players with problems, that is Sas and Tugay. All other players are in camp. They are ready for the game tomorrow, and I hope that they will play in their maximum level. I think all the players are ready for the game tomorrow, and I think they didn't understand me what I said before the last game. I just say that I didn't have the players, I didn't have enough time to prepare the team with all the players, because many players was with the national team, and I didn't have too much time to train them together. And you know that when a player is going to the national team and is coming back, you need to give him some days to recovery. And that's why I say that I didn't have too much time. But I am already 2 weeks with the players, and I have a very good feeling. I don't have any problems at the moment. And even if are problems, I cannot tell you in the front of the media. I try to resolve everything together with my players, and the most important thing, we need results, and the chance is tomorrow. I am a coach. I am not a policeman. And yes, I have a conversation with all the players, not only with the players who make these mistakes. In football happens. We don't want that, but we train every day. We try to show the players the right way, the right things to do. It's easy to punish. It's easy to take one player and put him down, but it's more difficult to build the trust in the players. And in my career, I don't try to do that. I try every time to help the players who need help in some moments, and we know in football everything is happening.